United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 52, Right of Innocent Passage, 1. Subject to Article 53, and without prejudice to Article 50, ships of all states enjoy the right of innocent passage through archipelagic waters, in accordance with Part 2, Section 3. 2. The archipelagic state may, without discrimination in form or in fact among foreign ships, suspend temporarily in specified areas of its archipelagic waters the innocent passage of foreign ships, if such suspension is essential for the protection of its security. Such suspension shall take effect only after having been duly published.